Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the FABFITFUN starter box. I got this in the mail just recently, so this should be the July 2020 starter box. They do change pretty frequently, so I'm trying to get this video up as fast as I can, but it does give you a good idea of what will be in a starter box if you get your hands on one as well. If you're new here, hi, my name is Emily. If you enjoy unboxings, panning, and your OG beauty content, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm going to stop rambling and just jump right in. So my friend sent me a link to get a free starter box. All I had to do was pay for shipping. For me here in Canada, it worked out to be about 12 Canadian dollars to ship. And the box is much bigger than I was expecting. Like, it's pretty huge. If you're interested in seeing FABFITFUN box unboxings on my channel, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking I want to give it a try. I've never tried this subscription service before. I would wait until fall to start because the summer boxes have been out for so long. I would hate to get just like the leftover stuff, you know? But I think it could be a fun subscription. It's more of a lifestyle subscription box with beauty and other products as well. So let's just hop right in and see what is inside. So we have a magazine and a note on the top. Oh, this has the products and their prices. And I do see that the regular subscription box comes with a magazine as well. It has the customization options, discounts, things that come with your subscription, how things are curated, and just some magazine articles. So this is really cute. So again, I paid about $12 to get this box to me, and it says the total retail value of this box is $136, which is pretty impressive. So there is a sticker and tissue paper on top of this box. First up, I have the Nails Inc. London Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask for dry, tired skin. This is a really interesting looking product and really timely, honestly, with all of the COVID-19 stuff happening. Everyone is washing their hands way more than they were previously. I am washing my hands a lot more at home as well because I have a newborn and they do get really dry. I'm applying hand cream multiple times a day. So I think this is a fun product to receive, and this retails for $16 US. It features a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, vitamin E to instantly smooth and rejuvenate dry hands. Next up, I have a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner made in Italy. It says this is cruelty-free, alcohol-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, and vegan. That sounds really awesome. Zero sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, or phthalates. I want to look into the ingredients a little bit more. I'm trying to be a bit more picky with the ingredients that is in my skincare, but this sounds really lovely. It retails for $26 US. It says gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, why couldn't I read that? Witch hazel and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. That sounds really promising. It's harder to tell with my makeup on unless I'm turning like a particular way, but right here I do have a melasma spot from my last pregnancy that I just cannot get to budge no matter what products I use. So when things promise to brighten discoloration on the skin, I'm always keen to try it. Next up, from Ish, I-S-H, Ish, lip duo, a hydro gloss, and a lip liner. Okay. In the shade Luster, retails for $10 US. Plump and hydrate your lips with this dynamic duo, which is packed with ingredients like shea butter and jojoba oil. Why can I not open this? Okay, here we go. Okay, this has like a plasticky velvet, like faux velvet type of case. They're trying to make it seem like it's a little fancier than it is, but it does retail for only $10. The lip liner looks pretty. I don't really use lip liners a ton. That's the color. Can't really tell from this distance. And it doesn't even look like the Hydro Gloss is a similar color to the lip liner. And this is like a very pale bubblegum pink, which is not a color I would use even though it is a hydrating lip gloss. I just don't think that this is something that I would use. It's made in China, distributed by FABFITFUN, right on the box. So it says it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and vegan. I would have to look up this brand a little bit more. Is this FABFITFUN's beauty brand? Was this made specifically for them? That sort of thing. But right off the bat, I'm kind of feeling that this is a product that I would pass along to somebody else. And lastly in the box is an Olive and Peak, P-I-Q-U-E, blanket scarf, vintage inspired. Stay cozy and stylish in this chic scarf. I'm not typically a scarf person, and it's kind of strange that this is in a summer starter box. However, this would be so lovely in the fall. And I've always wanted a blanket scarf. This retails for $84 US. Wow, this feels so soft. It's this charcoal gray color with white stitching. It has tasseled edges. Words, Emily. Okay, this feels really lovely. I am going to keep it nice in the bag for now. It's 53 by 53 inches, so it's a square blanket scarf, and $84. That is a pretty pricey item. Not something I would ever pay for a scarf especially, but really exciting to get in a box that you basically got for free. So those were the 4 products that I received in my FABFITFUN starter box that I got in July of 2020. I'm not sure like how much of this I will keep or get use out of, but again, I got it for free. I only had to pay shipping, and the variety of products was really nice. You got 1 lifestyle product and 3 very different beauty products, which that is the part that I get most excited about, is the beauty items. But just I also have a massive collection, as you know if you're not new to my channel. However, I can see that this box is worth the shipping cost, and I think it gives you a good taste of what a FABFITFUN subscription would look like, which I think is the point of the starter box. So I'm really happy with this purchase, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below if you'd be interested in seeing me unbox the FABFITFUN subscription box starting in the fall. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!